What are some common clave mistakes? When it comes to playing or understanding clave rhythms, many musicians make some common mistakes. One of the most frequent errors is confusing the two clave patterns, the 2-3 and the 3-2. Clave is a two-measure rhythmic pattern. In the 2-3 pattern, there are 2 hits in the first measure and 3 in the second. In the 3-2 pattern, it is the opposite. Misidentifying which pattern is being used can disrupt the entire feel of the music and coordination with other instruments. Another common mistake is losing sight of the clave's role as the rhythmic guide. Clave is not just a pattern to play. It organizes the timing and accents of all other parts in Afro-Latin music styles like sun, rumba, salsa, and Latin jazz. If musicians or dancers do not internalize the clave, their timing and phrasing may fall out of sync with the ensemble. Shifting the clave pattern incorrectly during a song is also a typical error. Some songs switch between the 2-3 and 3-2 clave patterns. This requires careful attention to maintain the correct orientation. Failing to pivot properly during these transitions can lead to confusion in the rhythm. Inaccurate placement of clave strokes is another common issue. The clave pattern has specific beats and offbeats where the hits must fall to maintain its characteristic syncopation. Placing hits too early, too late, or on the wrong beats breaks the groove and weakens the music's structure. From a cultural perspective, overlooking the African roots and historical significance of clave in Afro-Latin music is also a mistake. Clave rhythms originated from West African bell patterns and were brought to Latin America through the transatlantic slave trade. Respecting this heritage is essential for authentic performance and understanding. For musicians and dancers within Latin culture, it is crucial to learn to feel and count clave internally rather than just playing it mechanically. Understanding how clave interacts with other rhythmic elements like the montuno and tumbao is also important. Practicing switching between the 2-3 and 3-2 clave smoothly when required by the music is essential. Recognizing the differences between sun clave and rumba clave is necessary, as these have subtle but important variations. Avoid treating clave as a simple repetitive pattern. Instead, view it as the foundational rhythm that shapes the entire ensemble's timing. Mastering clave without these mistakes is vital because it holds the music together, acting as the rhythmic backbone in Afro-Latin genres and connecting musicians, dancers, and listeners in a shared cultural expression.